The SKILLED Internship Program was established to provide a pathway for lab scientists and other people from scientific backgrounds to get into clinical trials. The problem with clinical trial industry is if you have no experience, you can't get in, but if you can't get in, you can't get the experience. So this was a way of establishing a pathway that provided that for scientists in particular. The SKILLED Internship has two main streams. One is for study coordinators and one is for a position called a clinical trial assistant. Study coordinator program runs for 40 weeks and it is designed to give you the experience you need to be able to coordinate a study in all its aspects. The clinical trial assistant program provides you with the training to do the administrative and regulatory background for studies. That program is 24 weeks and it actually provides you with such a foundational knowledge base that many people on that program then go on to become study coordinators, join industry or academia.
I got so much out of the SKILLED Internship Program. Initially we had some theoretical training and then it was great to put that into practice as well. Part of the internship program we got a wide variety of exposure to different roles and experts within the field. So that includes everything from the doctors themselves, being in the lab, and a whole wide range of areas that really exposed me to understand what type of roles even existed in clinical trials that I wasn't aware of otherwise.
I think that the biggest thing that I got out of the internship was this stepping stone into the clinical trials field. I think it's something that isn't really offered anywhere else and it's an industry that I think a lot of people find it quite hard to get into. So having that sort of foot in the door into trials, it really broadens your scope, and you could go into ethics, you could go into sponsor side, you could be an assistant, you can go into project management. There's just so many different opportunities that I just wasn't aware of coming out of uni.
Well, the SKILLED program wouldn't have been established without the help of the VCCC and in particular the people who have really given the last few years to running the program. We've now run the internship for 4 years. For the 60 people who've completed it in the first 3 years, over 90% of those interns had positions by the time they finished. I'm very proud of the program, I'm very proud of the interns we've had, but also very proud of the sites that have committed to taking the interns. But I think we've all benefited, both the interns and the sites.